how to edit and change your store product URL on Bigcommerce. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it. First, open your browser and now click settings, and then scroll down until you find URL structure, or you can just type it here, URL, and you will find it. And then once you're here, all you need to do just here you can manage it. That's it. You can make it long or short, and just manage anything you want here, and then don't forget to save it. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.